Assalamu alaikum students. I hope so you all are keeping well. Students, today we will discuss Unit 5, the remaining exercise, and in remaining exercise our today's topic is grammar, and in grammar today we are going to discuss transitive and intransitive verbs. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Students, a transitive verb is a verb that can be changed into passive voice, whereas an intransitive verb cannot be converted into passive form or passive voice. Got it, students? A transitive verb can be changed into passive voice, whereas an intransitive verbs cannot be converted into passive voice or passive form. So let's see in A part, pick out the verb in each sentence and state whether it is transitive or intransitive. The first one here is given us that the sun shines bright. The sun shines bright. And students, you can see that I have told you that a transitive verb is a verb that can be converted into passive voice. That can be converted into passive voice. And you can see that here the shines is our verb and we can't convert it into a passive voice, because after shines there is a word bright, and bright is showing her manner that sun जो है वो खूब या आबोताब से चमकता है, कैसे चमकता है. So it is an example of intransitive because we can't convert it into a passive voice. Here, next one, I hear a noise, and here our verb hear, H-E-A-R, hear, is a transitive verb. So we can change this sentence into a passive form, passive voice. This is a transitive sentence. Next one, Ali drives the car carefully. Here our verb drives the car carefully. Our verb is drives, and you can see, students, we can make the passive voice of this sentence very easily. Also an example of transitive. Number 4, you got angry with your sister. You got angry with your sister. Students, you can't convert here your verb got into a passive voice. So this is an example of intransitive verb. Sarmad ate a lot of sweets. Sarmad ate a lot of sweets. Here the verb ate is showing a transitive verb. So this is an example of transitive verb, because we can also convert this verb into a passive voice. A lot of sweets were eaten by Sarmad. Next, number 6, everyone tried very hard to win the race. Everyone tried very hard to win the race. Students, you can see that here we can't convert our verb tried into a passive voice. So this is an example of intransitive verb. Next, in the last sentence is she knows the secret. The secret is known by her. We can easily make a passive voice of the given verb know. So this is an example of transitive verb. Students, on page number 62 we are given some verbs that can be used both as transitively and intransitively. You can see the examples. She hangs the painting on the wall. This is an example of transitive verb. And the painting hangs on the wall. This is an example of intransitive verb. So there are also some words that can be used as transitively and also as intransitively. So here is an activity. Make 2 sentences with each of the given words. Use these first as a transitive verb and then as an intransitive verb. So this is also your home task, to use all of these given words into your sentences, first as a transitive verb and after that as an intransitive verb. The next we are going to discuss prepositions of movement and direction. Here fill in the blanks with appropriate prepositions. You are given some pictures and according to pictures you have to select or you have to write a preposition in the blank. First one we see that Shiraz is going dash the ladder. Definitely Shiraz is going up the ladder. वो सीढ़ी के ऊपर जा रहा है, so we will use here up. Up is a preposition of position or movement. The furniture is dash the van. पोजिशन शो हो रही है यहाँ पे कि फर्नीचर कहाँ पे है. सो फर्नीचर इज़ इन द वैन. फर्नीचर गाड़ी में है. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ माई फ्रेंड लिव्स इन अ फ्लैट डैश अ शॉप. Here is also the sentence is showing the position show, so we will use here on. My friend lives in a flat on a shop. The boss is coming dash the corridor. The boss is coming out the corridor. The boss is coming to the corridor. Both can be used. There's a garage dash the house. घर के अंदर एक गैरेज है, so we will use here in. There's a garage in the house. Next we walked dash the lake. हम झील के साथ चले, so we will use here the preposition of along. We walked along the lake. There's statue dash the museum. म्यूजियम के सामने स्टेचू है. There we will use in front of. There's statue in front of the museum. Next and the last one is Hassan and Ali are walking dash the stadium. Hassan and Ali are walking in the stadium. वो स्टेडियम के अंदर चल रहे हैं, so we will use here the preposition of in.